Hallo, herzlich willkommen zum nächsten Video. Heute lernen wir die Tage der Woche und auch die Monate. So, a little English. Today we're going to do the days of the week rather, and the months of the year. We'll talk about seasons as well. We're going to ask, what's the date? We're going to be able to give the response to the question, what's the date, by the end of the video. So, here we go. Here's our question. Was ist das Datum heute? Word for word, what is the date today? Easy enough, right? So repeat that once. Was ist das Datum heute? Our answer is going to start with the words from the question. Heute ist, we're going to fill in the day of the week. Then we're going to say we're going to put the number for the day of the month. And finally, we're going to put the month in there as well. As we go through the tiles, we'll be able to fill those blanks in. All right, Tage der Woche. German calendar is going to start with Monday. The last day of the week is going to be Sunday. So we've got them listed in this fashion here. Repeat for me. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. One more time through. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. You take the 2 days, Samstag and Sonntag, put them together, and we've got das Wochenende. Try that. Das Wochenende. This is what the calendar is going to look like. Again, Monday, beginning of the week, Sunday, the end of the week. In English, we take the first 3 letters usually, sometimes first 4, like twos. In German, you're just going to take the first 2 letters of the day of the week and don't use a period. Capital for the first letter, lowercase for the second. So we've got M-O to replace Montag, D-I to replace Dienstag, and down the line. Good. All right, die Monate. So the months of the year. We're going to start up at the calendar, top of the calendar here with January. We're going to work our way around. I've also got them oriented so that we can learn the seasons of the year as well. So let's start with just the months. Repeat if you would please. Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, Oktober, November, Dezember. Now, if we took the 3 cold months, Dezember, Januar, Februar, and we put them together in one season, we would have der Winter. If we took März, April, and Mai, put them together, we've got der Frühling. The prefix, or the first word of the combination here, früh, means early, so it's the early season of the year, der Frühling. We'll take the warmer months, Juni, Juli, and August. We'll put them together for der Sommer. And then the last 3, we've got September, October, November. Put those 3 together and you've got der Herbst. Altogether, we're talking about die Monate, months. So now we want to be able to say the year, as in like 2013, 2017. So if you need a refresher, go back to the video for 100 through 1 million for a quick refresher. Notice that there are no commas in these. These are not 2013. These are just the years, so we leave the commas out of them. So a quick refresher. 2013. 1989. We're going to change that to 1900. We're going to put the 2 numbers together. 1989. If it were 1822, 1822. Last tile for this video. We're going to ask what the date is, and we're going to be able to give the date along with the month, the day of the week, or the day of the month rather, and the year as well. So back to our original question. Was ist das Datum heute? We're going to say heute ist, for me right now it's Wednesday. So I'm going to say heute ist Mittwoch, der, and it is the 26th, der 26. And right now it's June, Juni. Der 26. Juni. If we imagine that right now is the 22nd of October 2013, one quick note before we go any further. Notice the day is first, and then the month, and then the year. They go from the smallest unit, the day, to the middle, the month, to the largest, the year. So it's backwards from what we typically do. So if your birthday is December 5th, your birthday is going to be 0512 and then your year. So the day first, then the month, then the year. Anyway, if it were the 22nd of October, you would say, heute ist Montag, der 22. We're going to talk about that in just a quick moment. Oktober 2013. Now, when we're doing our numbers, we need to learn what's called ordinal numbers. In English, we would say the first, the second, the third. You're putting them in order, so they're called ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers in German are much easier. All you have to remember is that if the number is between 1 and 19, we're going to add a t, with a few spelling exceptions, just like we have in English. We don't say fifth and third, we say third and fifth. They change a little bit, right? So we'll have a couple of those in German too. We'll talk about those as we go along. But 1 through 19, we add a t. As soon as we hit, whoops, that should be 20. 20 and up, it should be st. Okay? So if it were the 18th, we'd say 18 t. The 28th, we'd say 28 st. If it were August 8th, 1989, we would say heute ist Freitag, der 8. August 1989. Now, we said right there we add a t, right? Can you think of why we would just add an e right there? Because the number already ends with a t. You don't have to add an extra one in that case. We're just going to say der 8. August. One more quick here. We're going to say it's the 15th of March 2004. So we'll say heute ist Dienstag, der 15. März 2004.